again, it's your girl, Jane Slash.
The kid!
And as you guys can see, it's just me and Mica today.
Because Jada's at school.
No, Jada is at the Boys and Girls Club doing her after school program, so whatever. So today I'm going to be doing, I guess I had made some Tony's pizza, so I said I'll do a mukbang with Jamaica. So.
You 81.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. Sorry guys. Just at the Boys Club. Mom.
What?
What is that thing?
Because it's a Supreme.
Oh.
I mean, that's cool. I know you real picky. I know one thing, it is hot.
Uh-huh.
Hold on, guys. I got to turn this AC on.
It's hot in here. It's too hot when I eat it.
Yeah, it's hot. Anyway, we're going to talk about what Jamaica been doing in school, right?
Okay. I was going to do practice and then
What you was practicing for?
pictures of school, and then I'm gonna go to my school with my mama with, because her was picking me up first because her didn't pick Jada up first.
I never picked Jada up first.
Her almost picked me up first.
Yep.
And then it was one person doing a picture because I don't know why.
No, today y'all had class group pictures.
Yeah,
That's why I kept saying, was it all of y'all together? You kept saying, no, just one person. No, a group is everybody. So tomorrow she will be taking
another picture tomorrow.
She will be taking her school pictures tomorrow.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah.
And they got hot up in here.
Yep, it's still hot in here.
But the AC is pumping.
It's still on. I get off of me.
Why?
It's nasty.
No, it's not.
No, this is nasty. This
What?
one.
The green peppers?
Yeah.
Girl, you know what you're missing.
It's nasty.
No, it's not.
The green pepper is nasty. This is not.
Ooh, yeah. I'm hot. I turned that AC off probably just about 2 hours. It got really hot up in. No, I know what it is. I turned the oven on. That's what it is. When I cooked the pizza.
Uh-huh.
So that's why it's really hot.
And then Laura was like, smell that pizza.
I don't know what you're talking about, because he ain't getting none of this.
If him did some of this, Jay gonna be mad.
Oh, I gotta save Jada some. Because we ate pizza yesterday, guys, and she was mad. Because I ain't saving none.
Next time, check our other video. Check us other video check us video of like I see you on the pizzas. and check out that one. Comment below you like that one or this one.
Which one?
We eat all of the pizza.
Yeah,
Check out that one. Check out that one and this one.
Yep. Check us out, guys. Yeah, we've been slipping for a minute. Because I've been sick. But I'm back. Stomach's still kind of messed up, but I'm back. I hate being sick. I really don't.
Mama, food.
Oh yeah, I did a face mask. I want to do another one, but I'm kind of scared.
Me
that
either.
black
I'm
mask-
not scared because it was hurting me.
Well, it broke my face out. I
It
got
broke
bumps
my face
everywhere.
too. It was burning my face too. Oh, the hot.
I got another mask I want to try.
First.
So I think I'm gonna try that one.
So, I didn't do the face mask because I was at school.
You can do it?
I didn't do the face mask because I was at school.
No. You didn't do the first one because
I did the other one. And then check out the other one with three girls like did the face mask because somebody just get this face mask to mama and then do the face mask with us. And that's why.
ooh. Yeah, it's hot. So what you want for Christmas? What you want for Christmas this year? Y'all pretty much got everything. You got tablets.
I want tablets.
You already got one.
I know because of mom. Every time my other one, it was like the black one, Santa brought at that time.
Mm-hmm.
The other one was froze.
It's not froze now.
No, because I don't know what Papa did because last time I was at Grandma's house, I bring my tablet over there because I play with it and then it keep freezing at Grandma's house.
Wait, we gotta see.
Look up.
I need a toothpick.
What?
Stuck in my teeth.
That's just not stuck to my face.
You said what?
That's just not stuck to my face.
What are you talking about? Yep. You pretty much ain't got too much going on. Just picture day tomorrow. And then you got, first day of, oh, you got, next week you got popcorn. Oh, the popcorn that mama got. Because she's selling popcorn too, guys. So my mom have it at her job. She's taking it around to all, I guess all her co-workers and everything to try to help out.
Guys, I got new shoes. Check out my video.
What else they got?
Check out my video of on the artery.
She got, what is that? Monarch Festival? What is gonna be?
And check out my sister
Oh, this is gonna be September the 22nd at the Kosciuszko Park. It's free. I'm gonna check y'all out. They got music. Music and dance, art, kids, fun activity, food.
Mama.
I don't know what that say. Oh, my glasses.
You better go over there. Mama, you gotta. I make you say.
Oh, that's in Spanish. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. We're gonna go to this little festival. It's, as a matter of fact, that's this
My mama's
Saturday.
pretty. Mama, you better.
No, as a matter of fact, why I say Saturday on here? September 22nd is Monday. That's the 21st. Okay, this calendar from Monday through Friday. Okay, 21st. It is Saturday. So we'll be going to that event, guys. My stomach's starting to hurt.
Huh?
My stomach. My stomach ain't all the way back right, guys. It's still messed up. But I still wanted to make a video for you guys today.
Guys, check out my mama video. Check out my mama video of face mask and eating all the How do you do that?
Well, I own it.
Like, how do you do this?
I tossed it. It's goofy.
Mama's so funny.
Okay, I'm done with my pizza. And I don't want no more. I don't want that. Okay.
Mama,
Done. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, we just wanted to make this quick video. And we'll be back tomorrow.
Peace.
Another video.
Guys, check. After the video of the day. Bye.
And like your girl always say,
Bye.
I'll let your girl.
Peace.
I'll let you do it.